welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you are a new watcher, thank you for joining. Thank you for clicking on my video. Now just go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell. Just might as well do it, just join the family. So today I was just really bored at home. It's Sunday and it's 6:56 and I just wanted to film something, and I wanted to do something really gold and goddessy, something that'll complement my head wrap that I got from Wrap Queens. I love their page, and I'll put their link down in the description bar below so you can check out their page. And they have so many wraps, plain ones, beautiful patterns, so pretty. So if you guys want me to stop rambling and go on and show you how I achieved this look, then continue to watch. So starting with my eyebrows, I'm going in with the Control Freak Eyebrow Gel by NYX. And then I'm going to go in with the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5. Now to clean them up, I'm just going in with the Fenty Concealer in the shade 360. And I'm using that same concealer to prime my eyelids because I'm going to be starting with my eyes first. And this is just something that I just picked up on. I like doing my eyes first now. I don't know why. I really can't even explain to you why I like doing my eyes first. I just do. So I am using such an amazing palette today for my eye look, and it's the Warrior palette by JUVIA'S, and I'm using the shade Cano as my transition shade. This is such a gorgeous palette because I'm such a big fan of neutral shades, and this has so many bronze, coppers, browns, and it's so versatile that you can go from a soft glam to a dramatic look. So now I'm going to pop this yellow gold shade onto my lid, and this is the shade Bakwa. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing these names wrong, just bear with me, okay? And now I'm taking the champagne gold in the color Mormy, and I'm going to place that on the inner portion of my eyelid and also work it into my inner crease. This is going to give a nice transition from the yellow gold to something softer. And now I'm going back in with that transition shade Cano, and I'm just going to place that in my crease again to cancel out any harshness. So now I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner, and I'm just creating a simple line, nothing dramatic. I just want to be able to hide my lash band. So moving to the face now, I'm going to be priming with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and then I'm going to be color correcting with the Maybelline Correcting Pen in the shade Apricot. So I'm going for a dewy, glowing, healthy skin look, and listen, I only set my face once. Usually I'll set my face 3 times, but I only set my face once, and just watch how it comes out. So now for foundation, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation in the shade 385. And remember, this is a semi-matte finish, but I still got my dewy, glowing look. Okay, just continue to watch. You're gonna see the magic happen. And see, look. Foundation on the eyebrows. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna fix it later on. I can't be bothered, okay? And to conceal, I'm going back in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer in the shade 360. And I'm going to conceal under my eyes, my chin, the corners of my mouth, my nose, and my forehead. And to contour and add some color back to this face, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. And just look at that blend. Look at the difference, okay? Take your time. Take your time and blend for your life, okay? Because the last thing you want to do is look crazy in the back of somebody's picture. Next thing you know, you're a meme on Instagram. And now going in with the handy dandy Sacha Buttercup, I'm going to be setting everywhere that I concealed. So that's under my eyes, my chin, my nose bridge, and my forehead. So the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette has officially joined the family. Like, I am a believer. I absolutely love this palette to set my contour and the rest of my face. I used the 2 dark shades, and I'm actually going to use the highlight shade later on in the video. So now to finish off my eyes, I'm going back in with the shade Bakwa, and I'm just going to run that along my lower lash line, and then I'm going to blend that out with the shade Cano. And for my bottom lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. And my favorite blush, this is the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Rose d'Oro. It's number 2. I just love these baked blushes because they give such a nice pigment on top of being really like luminous, and it's just so pretty. And this is the first and only time I set my face during the whole makeup tutorial. And just look how healthy and glowy my skin looks. And now let's get into it. This is my favorite part of this makeup look because honestly, there is no other highlighter that would complement this look as much as the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. Like from the yellow, the gold, the glitter reflex, like this highlighter is just so pretty and it's so bomb for like the spring and summer. And the best way to apply it is start off small and build it, because you do not want to have like a gold streak going down your cheek like that. That is not cute. So you just take your time, dip in, dust off, pat, 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 blend, 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 and like, you know, just lightly apply it until you get the desired look. So since I don't want a yellow highlight on my nose, I'm just going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and I'm taking that highlight shade. So now I'm just cleaning off my lips to prep for my lippy, and I'm going back in to fix my eyebrow after I had gotten foundation on it. So now for my lip concoction, I'm going in with the Baseline Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Cocoa. And now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Game Changer. And let me just adjust this crown real quick before I hit y'all with some Black Girl Magic slayage, okay? And you know I had to double up on some highlight. 'Tis the season to be glowing, honey. Get to glowing. And here's the final look, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead, leave a thumbs up, comment, let me know what else you guys want to see on my channel, any kind of different looks, any products that you guys want me to try out. I know like a lot of palettes have been coming out, so let me know what you guys want me to bring on my channel, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.